In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed code into Google Sites. If you've ever wanted to enhance your Google site with custom features, using HTML code is a fantastic way to do so. Whether it's adding a custom form, integrating third-party widgets, or simply sprucing up your site with your own coding flair, these steps will guide you through this easy process. Let's start by making your way to Google Sites. Open your web browser and head over to the Google Sites homepage. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your Google account. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see a list of sites you've created. Select the site where you want to add your code, or create a new one if that's what you prefer. Now that you're inside the site editor, direct your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. There you'll notice several options to enhance your site. Look for the tab that says Embed. Go ahead and click on it. The embed option is powerful because it allows you to add custom HTML elements that are not typically available through standard site options, giving you greater flexibility in designing your site. Upon clicking embed, you'll be given a couple of choices, but our focus here is the embed code option. This option is crucial for inserting your custom HTML code directly into the site. Select embed code, and you'll notice a text box popping up on your screen. Here is where the magic happens. This box is your gateway to bringing external functionalities or customizations into your Google site. At this point, you likely have some HTML code on hand that you're eager to utilize. Copy that code from your source, then return to the Google Sites interface. Click inside the text box that appeared when you selected Embed Code, and paste the HTML code you've copied. This action places your custom code directly into the Google site environment, effectively embedding the code just where you need it. Before finalizing, take a moment to preview your changes. This step is incredibly important because it lets you see how your code affects the site. If everything looks as expected, hit the Insert button to add the code to your page. You'll notice the new features or customizations appear right there on your Google site, ready for anyone visiting your site to see. Just like that, you've successfully embedded code into your Google site. Remember, this is an amazing way to add unique elements and personalize your site beyond standard templates. As you grow more comfortable, you can continue experimenting with different HTML codes to see the exciting transformations you can bring to your site. Keep exploring and designing, and soon, your Google sites will truly reflect your personal style and functionality needs.